Today's video, I want to show you how to enable the manual pairing mode for your Powerbeats 3 and then connect them to an iPhone 11. All right, so this here is the iPhone 11 using iOS 14. All right, so just give me a second here. Let me bring down the brightness so that it won't cause a glare on the screen. Okay, so before we continue, you want to first make sure these have some battery life, because the last thing you want is that when they connect, they will disconnect, and then you think I did something wrong and you'll leave a dislike, and I don't want you guys leaving a dislike. So while these are off, and of course you're going to do this process while they're off, so if they're currently on, go ahead and turn them off. And while they're off, you're going to long press this button here. This is the left side, so you want to get the left side. It's the only side that has the button, all right? So the left side, and you're going to hold down this button right here until you see a soft white blinking light coming out from there, followed by a red white blinking light. So hold it down, and you're going to remain holding it down until you see this, and then you'll notice it stops, and let it go. Once you let it go, it'll start doing that. So when you get it to do this, it means you have enabled the manual pairing mode, and you'll notice it'll alternate with the white light and then red white blinking light. So this means you're on a good start and you are ready to connect this thing. Now, keep in mind, these are not my Powerbeats, so you're going to see a name here that's not mine. But let's go ahead and dive into the main settings of our iPhone 11. So we'll go to settings here, and then you'll go to where it says Bluetooth. So Bluetooth, and then turn that on. It's going to start searching for nearby devices. You're going to see the name of the person's Powerbeats. These are my this is my sister's own, so just so you know that. And then you're going to see this show up, this pop-up animation. So connect. It's going to run the connection process for you, and it's going to say connecting, and then it's going to tell you the person's name, Powerbeats, but yours will just say Powerbeats 3 since it's yours, I'm assuming. And just press done, and it'll say connected up here. It'll say that it's connected, and that's it. You'll just go back, pay attention to that light right here. You'll see it's a steady white blinking light. Well, not blinking, just a steady lit white light, which means you are 100% connected and ready to use. And of course, as always, if this guide was helpful in any way, please do like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And thanks for watching.